Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open Binance account. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. First thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store, search in here for Binance, and then from in there, click on Binance right here, and then install it. Once you have installed Binance, just click on open right here. And in here, you should be able to see an option for login or sign up. So since we want to open an account, let's click on this sign up right here. Once you have clicked on that, it will ask us to sign up with email or phone or with Google. So I actually recommend you to sign up with Google since it is actually more efficient and more secure that way. So click on sign up with Google or continue with Google, and then choose the Google account that you want to sign up for this one. So for me, I'll just choose a Google account, and then from in there, it will load and click on this agree to share right here. And then from in there, it will actually load in here, and as you can see, it will create an account. So just click on this check mark right here in order to make sure to agree to the agreement. Then click on the confirm right here. And then in here, it will ask you to submit or set up your account. So if you have a referral ID, just put it right here. But if you don't have, then you can actually skip this one. So you can also receive marketing updates, and you can also verify your identity, and by verifying your identity, you can get up to $20 in vouchers. So when you click on this verify identity, you should be able to see this first, which is enable passkeys. So click on this add passkey right here. You can choose your passkey to be USB security key or a different phone or tablet or this device right here. So just choose which one is applicable to you. But for me, since I don't have a USB security key or a different phone or tablet, I'll just choose this device right here. It is still secure that way. So click on this device, and then this will ask for the password for your actual device. So just put that in. Then once you have put that in, it will actually load, and as you can see, it's been successfully added. Now this will direct you to this right here, which is the KYC verification, wherein you just need to put in your place of residency, and you just need to put in a government issued ID, liveness check, and all of this thing right here. So when you click on continue right here, you should be able to upload all of this personal information in order to get you verified. So for me right now, I will just close that for now. So click on confirm right here. So since I closed that, as you can see, I already have this account that I have. So you can start trading right here, but take note that there's some limitations if your account is not verified. So make sure that you verified right here, but you can still start working on your crypto portfolio from in there. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.